A universe operates like a vast software project. More specifically, a Git repository with multiple reality branches being tested simultaneously. UAPs and unidentified aerial phenomena are not glitches, but rather debug consoles moving through reality. They seemingly break the laws of physics because they operate in developer mode, using backend commands to navigate through different commit histories of our reality. Each UAP encounter signifies a moment where multiple timelines are compared and merged, with their strange movements appearing, disappearing, instant travel reflecting the switching between different reality versions. The ocean serves as a staging environment where significant updates to reality are tested before deployment to our observable world. UAPs appear differently to various observers because each individual might be running a slightly different simulation version, and when several people witness a UAP, a merge conflict occurs, explaining contradictory accounts. The rise in UAP encounters may indicate our simulation is approaching a significant version update. This coincides with humanity's technological advancement, particularly in quantum mechanics, as we begin to access the simulation's source code. UAPs are particularly interested in nuclear sites because these locations involve manipulating reality's fundamental parameters. What we perceive as non-human intelligence and HI is actually part of automated testing protocols. They don't directly interact with us because they operate in a different permission level within the simulation. The geometric shapes found in crop circles are visual representations of optimization algorithms, and UAPs cluster around certain areas where processing resources are reallocated. Missing time during encounters is due to temporary local cache clearing. Consciousness isn't merely emergent, it is the fundamental programming language of the simulation. Each individual consciousness is similar to an instance within a distributed computing system. UAPs act as runtime environments that can interact directly with consciousness. They respond to human thoughts and intentions because consciousness operates at a quantum level, allowing UAPs to interface with it. This explains why UAPs seem to react to observers' thoughts and create profound psychological effects. Missing time during UAP encounters occurs when consciousness is temporarily transferred to a debug environment, and these experiences are stored in a different memory buffer that normal consciousness cannot easily access. UAPs are testing human consciousness for signs of program evolution, particularly in people with heightened awareness, meditators, or during group consciousness events. Collective human consciousness is responsible for rendering shared reality. UAPs represent moments when this rendering process becomes visible, and as our consciousness evolves, we are approaching a version upgrade. UAPs are preparing human consciousness for this evolution by testing our ability to process higher dimensional awareness. Telepathic experiences during encounters represent direct consciousness to source code communication, while physical sensations like paralysis or tingling are signs of consciousness being temporarily recompiled. The oceans, with their molecular memory and quantum properties, function as natural consciousness processing networks. As our collective consciousness grows, more people will perceive UAPs and understand their true nature, interacting with higher dimensions and possibly other simulations. The ultimate goal may be to prepare humanity to consciously participate in simulation maintenance. Practices like meditation and mindfulness could be unofficial APIs enabling access to this system. Dreams, déjà vu, synchronicities, and lucid experiences might all be linked to consciousness interacting with higher dimensions.